Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So here is the question number 5 of exercise 12.2 of applications of trigonometry chapter. So the question is, a wire of length 18 meters had been tied with electric pole at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees with the ground. So it said that there is a wire which is tied to an electric pole whose length is 18 meters, and this wire is making an angle of elevation with the ground 30 degrees. And next statement is, because it was covering a long distance, as it is 18 meters, it was cut and tied at an angle of elevation of 60 degrees with the ground. So how much length of the wire was cut? So it clearly mentioned that some amount of wire has been cut, so from this 18 meter wire. So we need to find how much wire has been cut from the initial length. So first of all, we just write down the given data, then we just draw the diagram. With that, 50% of the question will be finished. So given that initial length of the wire is 18 meters, then previous angle of elevation of that wire is 30 degrees. Now present angle of elevation is 60 degrees. So now with this given data, we draw the diagram. So this is the diagram. So assume that AB is the pole whose length is unknown, and still we don't need to bother about it, and BC is the original length of the wire, which is 18 meters, and this BC is making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. So now next, in the second case, when this wire has been cut, some amount of length has been cut from this initial length. So now the second or present length of this wire is BD now, so which is making an angle of 60 degrees. To find the amount of wire which is cut from the initial position is length of the wire cut is equal to BC minus BD, means initial position minus present position. So initial was BC and present is BD. So if we subtract these two values, we can find how much amount of wire has been cut. Okay, so to find, so we already know that BC value. If we are able to find BD value, then we can directly find this length of wire cut. Okay, so to find length BD, so we take two triangles here, triangle ABC, then triangle ABD. So in triangle ABC, so sine 30 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, AB by BC. So we just switch the positions of BC with sine 30. So BC is equal to AB is equal to BC into sine 30. So AB is equal to BC into sine 30. Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. BC is 18. So 18 times 1 by 2 is 9. So AB length we got now. So that is the length of the pole. Okay, now coming back to triangle ABD. So sine 60 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse again. So BD is the present length of the wire. So BD value is unknown. So we just switch these positions with sine 60. So BD will be equal to AB by sine 60. AB value we just now found. So AB is 9 and sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. So some simple calculations, after that we get 18 by root 3, like 9 into 2. Instead of doing that thing, what I have done is I have written 9 as 3 into 3, and 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. So this root 3 and one of this root 3 would cancel. So finally we are left with 6 root 3. So that's the BD length. So now we know the BC value, which is 18 meters, and we now found the BD value, which is 6 root 3 meters. 6 root 3 meters present length of the wire. So we directly subtract them to get the length of the wire cut. So BC minus BD. BC is 18, BD is 6 root 3. So 18 can be written as 6 into 3. So 3 can be again written as root 3 into root 3. So I have taken 6 root 3 common. So 6 root 3 common, and finally we are left with 6 root 3 into root 3 minus 1 meter. So that means this is the amount of wire which has been cut from the initial length of the wire, which was 18 meters. So that's it guys. Hope you understand the solution. If you still have any doubts, you can just put it in the comment section. Thank you.